All right. Yeah, no news today. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And Trump doing deals with China. I did see something about it's like the war's ongoing still. Who's surprised? Who's surprised, honestly? All right, gold. So gold dropped yesterday. Gold had a nice little drop yesterday. Emmanuel, what's happening? Asian session really moved the price. Oh, big time, big time, big time. Nice drop during Asian. The drop actually started quite late. It started quite late during NY towards the end of the session. Look, just a couple hours before the market was going to close. Chris, what's up? Little pullback, and then yeah, just kept on going. But I mean, we had this 4-hour range right here. We had this 4-hour range, highs and lows. We kind of got this double top here. So I'll call this a double top. And we just needed to break this neckline, which it did, and then boom, came down. So if we measure it out, you've got the neckline, 840 pips, plays out down to here, 840 pips below the neckline. But yeah, it looks like we're just sitting on this 4-hour support right now. If it breaks, I'll be looking at 4508, and then below all the way down to 4424. So if we continue these Friday sells, we might be going down. We might be going down some more. So where do we get in now? Where do we get in? Where do we catch some of this? $30-minute levels here to the left. Little 30-minute support. It's not really clean below. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, we don't really have a clean drive, clean candles to the left. But I would love to see the 4-hour give us some structure to then get in. As it's still having its pullback. Benny, what's up? What's good? What's good? So Nas is on the 50. The 50. It's on the 50% retracement at the moment from this last push up. So if this holds, we may get another push too, also on this support. I want to see how Nas holds. DXY looking quite bullish at the moment for the day. So I can see See gold falling some more. Rosie, how are you? Everything went from ranging to sells yesterday. Man. Even GJ? GJ too. Afternoon. Afternoon. You're gonna have to tell me how to say your name. I don't want to guess. Give me a shortened version to refer to you, please. Make it easier for me. Water. Ayila. Ayila. I can say Ayila. That's easy. Okay, cool. Good afternoon, Ayila. How's your morning been, guys? How's your London session been? If you traded London session, is anyone in any trades today? I was looking at some sells on gold, but I missed my entry, so I thought let's just wait until NY, see if we can catch something at NY. It was very, very short. I was looking at very short-term sells. So I saw gold. Obviously, gold was on a nice downtrend. You know, the best place to get in is either when price breaks the low or as we're coming down. So I was looking at taking sells here. So we had the pullback, get in after we created some structure to continue. But it just fell without me. Do you know Kojo Forex? I know of him, yeah. I know of Kojo Forex. Why? Why? What's Kojo doing now? What is Mr. Kojo up to? Okay. Spliff, what's going on? During Asian session, he milked the downward moves. Yeah, man. If you're in Dubai, then you can trade that Asian session because you're up. You're up. It's like daytime over there, right? Or earlier than here, anyway. I can't trade the Asian session. It's in the middle of the night for me, unfortunately. Spliff, what's going on? What's going on? Well, go on and take some sales in Asia yesterday for gold. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, no, gold was a big move down yesterday. Big move down. I mean, look at that. Once it broke this support, how many pips is that? Just even from the broken support, 1,000 pips. How big was Asian session? Let's see. Alright, 590 pips. What do you like for her this morning? I want to see a little pullback and then continue the sells. That's what I do want to see. Just a little retracement. Retracement and come back. I wanted some of the sells during London session, but I missed my entry. I'm afraid. It's quite annoying actually, because I waited for it. I waited for the pullback. Like I normally get to the chart about 7, like just before 7, so I let this candle close because this is like the start of the new 4-hour candle. So I never trade around 6. I let it drop. It dropped. So 7, I started to see it pull back up. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna wait for the pullback and try catch the leg back down. Got this candle closed here, and then this candle just sort of dropped. Like it moved pretty quick as soon as it opened, and didn't really come back up much to give me an entry. But yeah, I was only aiming for at least back down to the lows and into this 4-hour level and into the 4-hour support. But yeah, man, it didn't set me up nice. So I want to see if this 4-hour support holds here. Actually, if it holds, maybe we get a 4-hour retracement, 4-hour push up, and then come back down. I enter that 46.73 TP 46.42. Oh, you got a nice move, real nice move. Oh, so you got in like before Asian session. Yeah, I bet you wish you held now. Look how much it's dropped. Got to like another 1,000 pips. Ba-bum, 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 bum. I can imagine. I can imagine. It's gonna mess up the music doing that. I hate that, you know, when I'm in a move and then I see it's continued like way further than where I got out. It's a bit annoying. It's like this support might be holding though. It's good for the push up. Very good for the push up. Really, what's happening? good? You good? And the market's every market is moving today as well. Do you guys check out other pairs? Do you guys check out other pairs? What other pairs do you guys look at? EU's becoming worth nothing. Pound is dumping. Getting very weak against the dollar, so is the euro. Tough. Okay. Had a 0.1% loss on GU. GU still good, looks good to come down. In fact, the structure on the 5-minute does not look good. It does not look good. DXY. Very choppy, yeah. Yeah. You can see that in the DXY as well. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Solo effects, what's up? Solu effects. How do you say your name? It's either Solu or Solo. Ali FX, how much accounts you got? Why you got so many accounts, Ali? Your sales played out nice, didn't they? Your sales played out nice. Did it hit your TP yet? I can't remember what your TP was. I know you were looking for a pullback into this area to then take the cells down. It hit your TP? Nice one, nice one, nice one. I thought about you when it dropped. I was like, Ali caught that move, man. Wait, 10K? Damn. How many pips? How many pips was that? Oh my god, you know what, yeah? I'm such a mess when it comes to recording those Sunday sessions. So I recorded it, but you can only hear you guys and very low. My mic is completely off. My mic is completely off, so you can't hear anything I'm saying the whole time. Yeah, so next Sunday, hopefully I'll get everything recorded properly. But yeah, this Sunday it was a no-go, and there was no way to recover it, fortunately, because I didn't record it through Google. So yeah, very, very silly. Use 3 lots. Okay, so it's about what, 1,000 pips, something like that. What's up today? I'm just waiting for a little pullback to then take some more sells. Yeah, I would like some more sells on gold if gold permits it. Would like some more. I mean, we broke out of that range Broke out of that range. I want to see some structure. I won't go to create a new range now. Create a new range. So, you know, pull up and then come back down. Yeah. I haven't really seen anything news-wise that is letting me know that gold is bearish. But, I mean, we have... I don't know if Trump's dealings in China are giving US dollar some strength. That could be one thing. Yeah, so we could have USD strength. We could have interest rates staying high because of high inflation. That's also quite bearish for gold. Trying to think what else. But yeah, I haven't really seen anything else like in terms of high impact news while gold dropped. But I mean, looking at the structure of the 4 hour, you know, if it didn't come back to this range, we were making lower highs, I guess. You got the 2 equal highs here, then you got a lower high, and then a lower high, and then we finally broke through the support, broke through the neckline. Ash was saying she thought she saw a head and shoulders pattern like this. Okay, head and shoulders there. I didn't really see it, but I definitely saw these 2 peaks. So it looked more like a double top to me. It looked more like a double top, like 1 neckline, 2, and then once we broke that neckline, we came down. So ba, 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 ba. But yeah, no, I don't see nothing news-wise there. Soybean trade with China. Trump is so bored of this war, he's gone back to China. This is a very creepy looking picture. Ali, that's it, you're back. Family stuff and football and family stuff. I got you, man. I got you. Like, I think this week I can record it properly. I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen. I was still toying around with how I wanted to do the meetings, either through Discord. Like, we tried through Discord, like through the actual app, but it's not very nice. Anytime someone wants to share, you have to do too much. You have to click too many buttons. But Google Meet is it's pretty simple. Go again, I'm not used to it. Don't use it. I like Google Meet. Yeah, so like if you say I want to share, or say someone else shares, it says I have to click on a button to see what they're sharing. It doesn't just pop up automatically. I think it's just too long-winded. So anytime someone was sharing, it's like, oh, let me cancel. Then they hit the. I have to hit to see what they're doing. This is too much actions needed for something that should be very simple. Very simple. Yeah, man, hit that like button, people. Hit that like button for me. Appreciate it. The more like buttons I get, the more likes I get, the more trades we take, you know? So we've taken one. We've got one winner this week. At those hotkeys. What hotkeys? I know what you mean. What hotkeys you talking about? Is that for trading? Or are you talking about magic keys? Talk about magic keys. Magic keys. But you know what? Magic keys, they'll be good for you if you're trading from... You have to be trading from a laptop or a PC. So if you're trading from your phone, it's not going to be... It's going to be pointless. Seeing selling on the 5 minute. 5 minute, my favorite time frame. It's not my favorite time frame. Yes. In order for me to see sells, maybe a closure below 45, 45, 46, or a retest of a resistance. Let's see what you got going on over here. One set. There we go. Alright, so see a sell. Is that where you're gonna get in? Is that where you're gonna get in? 45, what's that? 45, 53-ish. Where was your TP? 45, 25. It looks like it's bigger. It looks like it's going to be a huge TP, but not bad. Is that 300 pips? Oh, yeah, just could have just clicked on it. 270. Okay, okay. Then what's that strategy? What is that strategy? Is that strategy? What's happening, Rich? You good? Is a gold chart. Can't make it any bigger. But this is a gold chart, yes. Out. I'm good. How are you? It's alright, Will. You're all good. Give me something to do while this market sets up. It's all good. It's all good. I see this algo everywhere. Lux algo. I think I see it on Instagram. People pushing that. So you got smart swings, liquidity, thermal maps. Hey. Descending wedge pattern. Oh, he's spotting the wedgies. I can see it. I can see it. The thing with patterns, yeah. The thing with patterns is, all right. My thing is, I can spot a pattern, but I take the later confirmation. I'll always take the later confirmation. For example, if I was looking at this like a double top, if I'm looking at this like a double top here, a really early entry would be like selling down from the right peak down to the neckline and then below. Whereas me, the confirmation of this neckline is when the confirmation of this is when the neckline is actually broken. So then I would really be looking to take sells like down here. Do you know what I mean? The 4-hour chart, can I just refresh it? Bam, refresh. What? Because it's the same thing. Yo, this 4-hour chart, that's where your sells go down to 2,700 pips. You gotta be trolling. How long would you be holding that? That's a long hold right there. Look to the right of that double top. It's a symmetrical wedge pattern. to the right of the double top. On what time frame? Time frame. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. I'm not really too hot with the other patterns. I know a double top, I know a head and shoulders. I don't really do the triangles and wedges and stuff like that. That hold will feel like a lifetime. Man, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Look, even on the 4 hour, 2,800 pips. Didn't change to the daily though. This holding from the beginning of one session to the end is yeah, it's difficult. Do you scalp? Yeah, I'm in and out my trades pretty quick. I mean, even what day was the trade that we took the other day? What's it? Oh, here. It was here. Was in and out of this trade in the same candle, I think maybe 10 minutes. When price came back, price here came back for this like 1 hour, this 4 hour candle bottom wick, and then pulled back up. Yeah, you're not holding. Small profit is good. Okay. Alright, Will. Have a good one. Don't work too hard. Close that. Let's see where your cells are from, Rosie. Oh shoot, it stays on your... Ha! That's crazy. It stays on your thing. My favorite pair is probably gold. Gold is my favorite pair. Cells from 212. Oh, nice psychological level 2. So my main 3 are these 3: gold, Nas, and GJ. Those are my pairs that I trade. Yeah, the GJ. bum, 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 bum. Gold isn't giving me nothing yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Right, where would have been a good place to get in today? Always go back and look over like potential trade opportunities just to see if my strategies work or where it would have worked. So here, closure below support. Yeah. That would have been the move. That would be the move. Here, closure below. Enter about 6 o'clock. Oh, nah, that's too early for me. Mickey, are you in sales? Nah, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. If we can close below this support here, then maybe on the next candle. Not really feeling that this candle doesn't have a top wick though. Yeah, I'll need a top wick here before I can get into the sales down, but the sales do look good. Sales do look good. Especially if this 4 hour managed to close below this support too. So yeah, any closure below 45.50 looks good. I can't talk about this morning, I'm still crying. And I'm sure that you'll get that back. You'll make that back. You'll make that back. Just don't let it throw you off, that's all. But trading is a proper it very much relies on mindset. Your mindset going into a trading day, your mindset going into a trading day has to be like solid. For a charger, hold on. There we go. Yeah, the mindset going, it has to be solid. I used to evaluate my mood and how tired I was. Do you know what I'm saying? If I wasn't in the mood, or if I was busy, things going on, I knew I wouldn't have a good session. I think you have to be super locked in. You have to be locked in, like, properly. Can't be too tired. Can't be upset. You know what I mean? Don't focus. An MT4 fuck me. Oh shit. What I see, strong bearish structure overall. Price created a lower high around the breaker supply zone. Rejection formed inside the bearish breaker block. Entry is after bearish confirmation. Okay. Yeah, it definitely does look like we're still going down. No, very strong daily candle, very bearish 4-hour candle. I'm just waiting for candles to close now. Let's see, do I still have the thing? Entry. Was your entry always here? I thought, was it a little bit higher? Did they why is your what determines your take profit? What determines your take profit? Why does it end down here? The 4-hour TP. Okay. Cool. The meeting, by the way, Trump and China is making gold go crazy, though not sure of the outcome yet. Oh, they've set up some deal. Look, they've done some soybean trade. That was an hour ago. So yeah, I think that's what's making the DXY pump. Where's the DXY? I think that's what's making dollar index keep pushing up. That was an hour ago. Seeing them. When you look at gold on the 15 minutes, I'm sure it can give us a third touch to short the market. A third touch? A third touch where? How do you journal your trades? I use either, I've got two ways that I track my trades. I have a trade tracker that I use on Google Sheets, and I also I use a journal in OneNote. So every day in OneNote, I'll post my daily analysis. I'll have my daily focus for the day, and then I'll put like a picture of my trades in there and just analysis of how the trade went. And at the end of the day, I also just do a quick recap of just the price action of the day, you know. So like yesterday when the market closed, where did the market closed around, where did it close yesterday? Yeah, it closed down here. So yesterday I drew out the double top and the neckline, and I said the TP of that is down there, blah blah blah. Can you send a snap of it in Discord so that it will guide us to create some? Let's see. I don't think it will catch all of it, to be honest. But journaling, I've got a tracker in the Discord if you wanted to put your stuff in. But journaling, like, I don't think you can really copy anyone else's journal, because what's relevant to you might not be what's relevant to me might not be relevant to you. But the main things that should be in your trade journal should be and not just, it shouldn't just be, this is my trade that I took. It should be a good analysis of that trade. So what went well, what didn't go well, and then maybe what you can do better. It should track maybe any emotions. And at the end of the day, I think you should always recap. Like, if you take a losing trade, you should analyze that trade. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, were there opportunities you could have gotten out? Were there things you saw that might not have been going in your direction? And then how do I not make that same mistake next time? So you should be using that journal to make improvements. I'm thinking gold sells, maybe a retest of this resistance to then come back down, or closure below. We've got what, 7 minutes? Yeah, definitely create a journal though, because it's after your trading day. Every trading day is not going to be a perfect day. It's not, so I think that should be noted. And I don't think it's journaling is not difficult. It's not that difficult. It's not as difficult as people make it out. It's just, it is necessary work that you have to do. Come on, go give us that closure below. See this 4-hour candle? But it's not bad. It's not a bad thing if this 4-hour doesn't close below this 4-hour support here. It's not that bad. Especially if it closes very weak, like with a weak body, it shows indecision. It shows indecision. Which I believe we had another candle like that. I know it was on the Rwanda. Look. Very weak candle, but then we still broke the low and came down. So Evan, how are you? How are you, Evan? I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Just, you know, the usual. Here waiting for gold. Waiting for gold to wake up. Give me something. Gold really wants me to trade Asian session, I think. It really wants me to trade Asian. The most. Gold does the most during Asian. Here, look. 600 pip move. I mean, it did kind of move pre-London Open towards the end of Asian session as well. I mean, if we do the whole sessions, 1,000 pips. Let's see if we can find any news related to gold dropping. You got some out of London Open. Nice. Well done. Well done. All right, let's look. Gold under persistent. Oh, what's that? Get out of here. Gold under persistent bearish pressure near 45.50. Gold falls for a 4th straight day. Okay, the greenback is supported by blah 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 blah. Meanwhile, okay, so strong US inflation and retail sales. Basically, that's bullish for the USD. Meanwhile, ongoing tensions between the US and Iran, particularly around the Strait, keep oil prices elevated and add to market uncertainty. Rising bets for interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve lend additional support to the USD and undermine demand for the non-yielding bullion. Oh, so look, Trump was talking nonsense last night. Fox News, he said he'll not be much more patient with Iran, and urged Tehran to reach a deal. Oh. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much a bunch of kind of like war news mixed in with the economy stuff, which is, it's all tied into each other. It's all tied into each other. Definitely is. I mean, the longer the war goes on, higher the inflation, higher the USD, lower gold. So it's all linked up. Okay, we closed below. Perfect. I like this. Alright, if I can get a nice top wick here, we might get some sells if we break this low again. If we come back down and re-break this low. This is good. Nice closure below right here. Just about, you know. It's actually not a full closure below. I still think we go down though, because 4 hour close below. 2k in profit. Nice. Well done. Are you holding till full TP, or are you gonna get out somewhere else? Anne, how are you, Anne? How are you? This is a nice little push right here. $10k, I'm out. That was quick. Oh, you use wait, I thought you were using a three lot size. 3 lots. You are using the free lots. How do you get 10k from a free lots? That would be like 300 pips. Oh, am I wrong? Where did you get in at? It's only been what, 100 pips? 120 pips? You know how I feel about sells when they happen like right in the beginning of the candle. I need the candle to pull up first, especially as it's a new 4-hour candle. I need a decent top wick. Check the 4-hour on your chart for full TP. Yeah, your TP is down there, isn't it? Still 5 minutes. Alright, DXY. Kind of chilling. I have your chart up here. You just need to refresh it. You need to refresh it. It's the same link. It's still on the 5 minute. So if you give me that, it's still gonna show me the. It's still gonna show me the 5 minute. Look, exactly the same. If I hit refresh, it should change. You need to save it. I wonder if we get a little rebound. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I don't like to get in as soon as the candle opens. I need a little pullback first. I need a top wick first or at some point, and then as it reflips and comes back down, then I can look to get in. But when we open, break the low and immediately start to drive down when we have over 20 minutes left, I don't want to take that entry straight away. On the next, oh, the prop firm. Okay, nice. I heard they were alright. Ooh, I'm liking the entry now. Now we're re-breaking the lows. I like it now. I like it. At least for a wick fill. Is that going to give us at least a 1-to-1? So start with the previous candle. Just about. Start with the previous candle. $100K account, nice. This wick fill right here is like, how long is it? This wick fill is not a 1-to-1 though. This is a bit annoying. I don't hold. I'm in and out. I'm in and out, man. In and out. I'm not watching gold all evening. And it's Friday too? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Gold is too stressful to be watching all day. Like it'll drop, it'll pull back. Nah, I can't do it. It's a nice day outside. It's a nice day outside. It's a very nice day. What's my exact entry? 44.20. Slightly different on my broker. But I like to close partials. Close partials. Let the runner run if it wants to run. You know what I mean? You gotta give gold the opportunity to create that top wick. Coming down. If I'd got in immediately, had my stop loss above the entry candle high, it would have pulled up, stopped me out, and then come back down again when the candle opened. I might actually close some at 50 pips and then leave the runner. That's a good idea. Let me do that. I'm nearly there. $50 pips. All right. Price was that 39.23. I can't bring it up anymore. It's a bit lower than that. Alright, just leave the runner. That's it. And then when I'm out, I'm out. What's that at my door? Why are these postmen so aggressive? Oh, I pulled back. Stop me out. Stop my runner out. Oh, so when you said 10K I'm out, you wait for your trade to get to 10K and then you close. I thought you were saying that that your trade was at 10K and then you've taken that 10K out already. Got you. And you just take what, one trade a day? One trade a day, not bad. Couple hundred pips. Gold will definitely move a couple hundred pips for you in a day. All right. Very simple there. Very simple. Very simple. I still think gold will come down some more. But in and out there. In and out. I'm glad I closed some. Now I'd be in drawdown. But you see, like when I take a breakout trade, a breakout trade for me is very, it's a very quick scalping trade. Very quick. Breaking the lows, tend to get a bit of a pullback. Now, if I was taking a sell from like a resistance to come back down and retest some lows, I would tend to hold those higher entries a bit longer. And I think it's important to know the difference between the trades that you need to get in and out of, or the trades that you can hold. Entry. Ooh, I know about that. I know about that. I still think it's gonna go down, but it's Friday. I'm chilling on a Friday, man. Just happy to catch some pips. Quick scalps. Said I want to be like Ali. What do you mean? I'm holding. Oh, that's right. Good. Yeah, hold that thing, man. Hold that. Can you read the map on the chart? I cannot read the map on the chart. I cannot. To me, I'll be honest with you, this map, like I like a more simple looking chart. This is there's a lot going on here for me. This is a lot going on. I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, I guess that's what you practice for, right? You learn how to use the indicators and then you execute off them. Only indicators I would use, EMAs or fibs. RSI, not so much. Not so much. don't think the RSI is bad. It's just I understand the EMAs and fibs a bit more. I use all. Nah, that's good. That's good. If that helps you, do you know what I mean? If that's what your analysis is, then you know, by all means. For me, I just found that less is a bit more. Less is more. Especially when I'm like, I'm trading just based on what the candles are doing. Sorry. As in, like, if this candle doesn't break the last high, that might be a good entry, or just respecting certain things. Ash, what's up, girl? What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's goody? You missed the trade. You missed the trade. Not that you would take it anyway. That you would take it anyway. Just took a little something, little some. Bold move, as per usual, Asian session gets the move, don't it? As per usual. As per usual. But I still think it's coming back down though. Caught a quick little scalp down here. Price broke this low. Snatched a little 50 pips. Snatch a little 50 pips. Just a little some. I caught quick buys from 51.41. Damn. Oh, he was trading against us. Nice little 50 pack for a Friday. That's right. That's right. That's right. Where's your TP, Ash? Where's your TP? Triple bottom divergence was building up on the RSI. Triple bottom divergence. That just sounds like a big move is about to come. That just sounds huge. Damn, we're in sells and you took buys. Hey, in and out that thing. In and out. Now look, this 4 hour candle is driven down twice. Not filled this wick or broken these lows. I did want a pullback. Rosie Ash is always good at doing the opposite. I mean, I would say doing the opposite. She trades reversals, you know. If you see the reversals, you're still on the sideline. I've been in and out the trade already. Spliff, you missed it. Spliff, you missed it. snatched a little 50 pips. So when this candle opened, it broke the low like very quickly. So I said I want it to come up, make a bit of a longer top wick, and then I'll get in when it re-breaks these lows. So it literally did that, came, re-broke the lows, closed 80% at 50 pips, stop loss to break even, then obviously look, stop loss hit break even, and then just push back up. So it was very quick. It was very quick, as you can see. It happened all within this same 30-minute candle. Just dropped your daughter to school. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. It was very quick. And now Ash is in some buys. What's your TP for the buyers, Ash? Where does this play out? Yeah, I just got off the phone and jumped into live to hear about your sales, but see how sales and buys could both work out. I mean, this 4 hour also closed below this level. It's not a strong bearish candle. It's very indecisive throughout. So super indecisive. As it's still breaking below these levels down here. Don't forget the push up yet. The TP divergence is 55.80. Okay, so it's not like, oh, back up to that resistance. That's only if lows are respected. Hateful wick down, but didn't break that prior low. It definitely didn't. And it's twice it done that as well. It's twice it did that. We had a wick down 2 times. And now we're pushing back up with some strength towards the end of this candle. Broken that previous 30-minute high. Not the 1 hour high yet though. We haven't broken that 1 hour high. Still. And the 4 hour dropped and oversold on RSI, creating signs of divergence as well. Oof. 4 hour divergence. That's a thing. That's a dang thing. What's the date? 15th, 14th. I need to mark that. But if H4 would have broken the low, I thought it would have just sold to 4,500 near the week prior, near the prior week low, which is still an option for today. So much time left. So much time left. Yeah, that was my next. That's my sell target back down to the 4-hour, like this 4-hour support area down here. So yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it. Giving us a good sell setup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't understand that chart, Ali. I'll be honest with you. Even if I look at it, I don't know what the liquidity is. I don't. Looking at the same chart is not going to help me see it. Like this doesn't. Like if you're gonna have to point it out, you have to annotate it. You're gonna have to annotate and say this is what the liquidity is, because this is, I don't know what this is. Look up at what though? You have to point out what I'm looking at. Like that doesn't mean anything to me. I need a big bar that says liquidity with an arrow pointing right at it. Yeah, I'm not married to any buyers today, just trading what's there. Oh man, look. Scalping gold. That's what I'm doing. The black map is the liquidity. This is all black. I mean, what, the black is black? The blackity black? So what does the grey mean? This right here, this solid black. Do you know what I'm saying? This is yeah, this is, you would have to break down like what all of this stuff is, because these indicators are saying a lot of different things. Do you know what I'm saying? Scalper Mickey, that's right. That's right. No, we've got a nice continuation pattern here, actually. Got a very nice continuation pattern right here. But the thing is, once you show me something, I'll get it. But it has to be explained. I think if you're using the indicator and you know what you're seeing, like you've got different colors on there. You've got grey and you've got dark, and do you know what I mean? Does it represent strong liquidity, weak? Like yeah, it needs to be just a bit broken down a little bit for me, and then I can, when you send the chart, I know exactly what you're talking about, because I'll be like, okay, this is this X, Y, and Z, you know. Friday sell-off. Is that what you want to do? Look at these wicks though, man. These wicks are not giving sells. Damn, I was gonna write something in this journal and I forgot now. In already. Nice. This could have just been I think we had something like this yesterday, you know. Yeah, look. Wait, is that yesterday? Yesterday? Yeah, where we had the push back up and then we just started to drop from there, really. I feel like it's doing something similar to this. Do you know what I'm saying? To come back down. Is it grabbing liquidity, Ali? Is that what's happening? Strong liquidity there. Is that what's happening? Hey, it don't take long. It don't take long. I think you called something like that yesterday too. Was it yesterday or the day before? It's the same thing, innit? Ali's the real market maker in here. Free game he's giving you guys. Free game. I lost my job as market maker. You did. You did. You could still make the phone calls though, you know? Still make the phone calls. Dial us in. Let's see if we get a wick fill and break this low. Because we haven't filled that previous 4-hour low. That wick. This bullish candle is very indecisive. Very indecisive. It's giving continuation pattern. I'll drop an update soon on BTC in the Discord. It is melting. Let's see what Biddy's doing. Let's see Biddy. Oh, it is, isn't it? Wow. Wow. What's your TP? What's your TP, Chris? I know you did have it up in the Discord, you know. Let's see. 78,816. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. $700 to go. 1 to 5. Okay, okay. Nice, man. I hope it hits today. If it don't hit, yeah, it most likely will. I don't see why it doesn't. I'm done. I'm done for the day, man. I want an easy Friday. I wanted an easy Friday. I wanted an easy Friday. Ali's killing it though. A nice little drop right there. Nice drop. That's how it goes though, man. You get in, get stopped out, and the goal keeps going. Nah, but the sales look good though. They did look good. Saying 4,500, here we come. broken those 4-hour lows. Nah, I'm done. That's it. That was my trade for today. That was my trade. What? Why are you getting me to check the same chart? Is there, before I check the chart, is there something different on the chart that you're telling me? If it's the same chart I've been looking at, why am I looking at it again? Tell me. Tell me what I'm looking at again. Because we have the same chart, right? They're both going down. What here? Tell me. There's something specific I'm looking at? Let me know. And I'll go and look at it. Yes? Alright, tell me. What am I looking at? What am I gonna look at? The map. Alright, what's on the map? And I know you can write some paragraphs too. You're giving me little bits. Like, talk to me. Because I still don't understand this map that you speak of, but what is it? What is it I'm supposed to see? Teach me, Ali. Teach the chat, in fact. Well, what are we seeing here? What's special? What's special about the map? Where's the map saying? I don't even know what the map is. Is this the map? Is this the map here? Nah, don't give me no emojis. Don't give me no emojis. What we saying here, man? What we saying? This is the map, yeah? Oh, Ali, your map disappeared. Hey, Ali, did you delete the map, bro? Did you delete the map? I ain't do that. Almost at TP. You want to become a great trader one day, Chris? And you will. And you will. And you will. Look at this. Oof. Ooh, about to hit TP. Let's go. Yo, everything is melting. Friday sell-off, guys. Friday sell-off. Let's do... Daily support nearly tapped. Trading with you is great. The back black. What? Thank you. Ali, you're not telling me stuff here, Ali. What does the black mean? Is it the darkest part means liquidity? What does this mean though? Yo, we do a call on Sunday, yeah? On Sunday, where are you, Ali? Where are you? Where are you in the world? Are you still in your trade, Aila? Are you still in your trade? What's your TP? You're in Togo. What time is it in Togo right now? In fact, you know what? I'll Google it. Time in Togo. Oh, you're behind. Okay, you're 1 hour behind. Oh, you're in Nigeria. Does that mean it's still 1 hour behind, isn't it? One. Okay, cool. So on Sundays at 5 o'clock your time. At 5 o'clock your time, we do a trading meeting. We do a trade meeting every Sunday. You should join. It's free. We just talk about the charts, the moves that we saw. Hey, Kenya in the house. Kenya's 4:44. Oh, 2 hours. Yeah. So yeah, but Ali, you need to join the Discord, man. If you join the Discord, then even if you just join the Discord, then you can explain what you got going on this chart, because you know it's not really making. I see it, but I don't understand it. You know. I thought Nigeria was an hour ahead. It's 2:44 in Nigeria. Ali, where are you really? What's going on here? Why don't you know what time it is? Now you're out. Nice. Well done, man. Well done to everyone that caught these sells, hit TP. Do you know what I mean? Man, I only snatched 50 pips. Well done to everyone who snatched that and some more. Good job, guys. Good job. 4,500 real soon. Boom. Wednesday. Right into that minor support. Damn. Real nice trades today, man. Real nice moves. Do you know what? Today was a lot easier than yesterday. Yesterday was a lot of sideways action, and then we got like a late breakout. But the price action today, the structure, way nicer today. Way nicer. 2 live trades in 1 week. It's been a minute, right? You're spoiling us. Oh, mate. It's been a minute. Don't worry, baby. We back. We back. We're taking trades every week. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's it, man. It's got to lock in. It's got to lock in. Consistency, man. As long as you show up. As long as you show up, the moves will come. Drake dropped 3 albums at once? What? Yo. Do you take your entries on the 30-minute time frame? Yes, yes. I do. I do indeed. I prefer the 30-minute time frame. It's gonna be a Drake summer. Oh shoot. I'm about to play it today. Where's my Spotify? Oh man, Drake said I want all the streams. Do you know whose album is not bad? I don't know if you guys like Tory Lanez, but Tory Lanez dropped an album. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. Ooh, where's Chris? Chris hit TP. Chris hit TP. Well done, Chris. Ah. He's still here. But yeah, Tory Lanez album is not bad. It's not bad at all. So why am I only seeing Iceman albums? Oh no, there they go. Oh damn. Maid of Honor and Habibti. Jesus. Alright, Drizzy. You smashed it. Hey, well done, Chris, man. Well done, well done. Mickey, is that a H4 support? There is a 4-hour support right here. And it's also a psychological level if gold comes down to like 4,500. I'm looking at this whole area, to be fair. 4,500. Drake's albums crashed the Apple and Spotify last night. Oh my god. I can imagine. How can he just drop 3 albums all at once? He is something else. Sorry guys, let me go back to the chat because I'm definitely on Spotify right now. Yeah, so yeah, Evan, yeah, I do see a 4-hour support here, but I mean, the way gold is, maybe we tap 4,500 and hold. I would be looking at, I do want to see a bit of a retracement though, because gold sometimes it falls and then towards the end of the day it can push up. So I wonder if we get a bit of a Friday, just a bit, not even a Friday specifically, but just a bit of a retracement after a massive drop like this. Because we've had quite a big move already now. So Yeah, I just want to see what the next 4-hour candles do, or how this day closes, really. In fact, since it's the end of the week, let's see what this weekly is looking like. If we break 4500s, we might actually be seeing the start of a bearish gold. There's a lot of things pointing to gold sales right now, you know. Thank you all. I'll drop the setup in the Discord. Yeah, man. Share that. Share that. Especially like the high inflation, ongoing war stuff. I read that Israel just bombed South Lebanon, something like that. Hezbollah, whatever they said. It's not looking too great for too great. Is it stopped? Play a bit more. There you go. A little rewind. Only got 5 minutes left, so interesting. Daily. You could actually be bearish on gold, guys. I hope all 3 albums are fire. Me too. Me too. Wasn't a fan of the alternative album. The alternative album. What's the alternative album? Like techie. Oh, the album that had it's kind of like house type music. I know exactly the album you're talking about. You know what? There was certain songs on there that I liked, but I don't think that style was for Drake. And gold wick down, not to break prior week low. I know, it came so close. So close. So close. But look at that push off, guys. Look. Right off this 30-minute level. Right off it. Look at that. Did it even make this bottom wick down here? Nah, but it's all good. It's got a tiny little... We already came back for this little wick here anyway, but... Mad. Proper wicked into the zone and pushed out. Damn. Who would have thought it would have gone that low? How low did I go in my daily analysis? I don't think I came down that low. I went to 45.46. Oh, here. I didn't think it was getting that low. Still holding my last setup. Euro AUD. Nice, nice. You're killing it this week, Chris. Had a good week. Had a decent week. Decent week. Apart from, what was it? Just that CPI day. CPI was a bit... It didn't go back up, did it? "43 songs." So I'm still reading this article from Drake. Man. Let's see. Nas still coming down. Yep. Big pullback on Nas. Everything is falling, isn't it? GJ finally broke these lows here. GJ might actually be bearish. But do you know what else is helping pound yen go down? The state of flipping the UK government. State of the UK government. Absolutely terrible right now. What's your take on price action in this session? For gold, I mean, we came into the session bearish and looking for the sells, so took a trade based on that. So yeah, it was a decent session. Very decent session. I just want to see now if we hold above 4,500 or if we break it. But I would look at, I do think we get a good reaction at 45, whether we get strong sells or just like a bit of a pullback. Yeah, once we made this sort of double top here, these two peaks up here, and didn't come back up to retest, we started making like lower highs and broke the neckline. Gold was, yeah, I was looking for more gold sells through this range. Yeah, good. I mean, that even the double top played out. It was like 840 pips, $84, something like that. Yeah, something like that. 820. So that had played out before we even got to the session, but just needed to, we got this nice clean range going up here, so, and we'd already came down and it was just down here now. So I just wanted to wait for some structure to then get into the sells. And we took the entry here, got out, and then it continued down again. So not a bad session, not a bad session. But yeah, I'm done for today. I am done for today. Still holding? You're still holding? Wow. Wow. I thought you said you were out. Oh, well done, man. Well done. Well done. This is a nice drop. It's a nice drop. But Ali, yeah, you got to join the Discord, man. I want gold to go to 4,300, 350 for TP and buy back around that range. The big, maybe Asian session Sunday, you get a big drop, maybe something like that. Yeah, but I'm done, guys. I'm done for today. Well done everyone. Appreciate you all for joining. Don't forget to leave a like for me. Told you guys, if you get the likes up, we'll take a trade, and that's exactly what happened. So, you know, it's gonna be the first thing you do when you come in. Nah, good job today. Good job today. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. Peace out. I'm happy all of us hit TP today. No, 100%. 100%. 100%. All right, guys. I will see you next week. I will see you next week. What do we have? Quiet Monday, quiet Tuesday, quiet Wednesday, FOMC meeting minutes, quiet Wednesday. Okay, Thursday they downgraded PMIs. And then we've got UOM consumer sentiment. Okay, so we got a decent no news week. Perfect, perfect. All right, thanks everyone. Have a great weekend. All right, Anne. All right, guys. See you later. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your profits. And if I don't see you on Monday, I'll see you on Sunday in the trade meeting. All right, guys. Peace out. Peace, peace.